Hello everyone, this is Amir from Chemistry. Today I'll show how to change, add or delete a new admin in your page. So for this you have to go to your desired page. From here we can go to our desired page. Now we will work with Travelers block. It's changing. So we have come to our page. This is our page. We will add a new admin here. For this we have to go to professional dashboard. So this is the number one step. Go to professional dashboard. From here we'll go to page access. So you can see that there is already two admin. We can add admin or creator in two way. This is the main admin panel and this is the task sharing panel. So whatever you want to do, now we'll add a admin panel, and here some brief of the job what he will do, and we will go to next, and I will search by his or her name. I got this one, and what he can do, I'm just giving his permission, give access, give the password. This is the final approval. So we have invited him for the admin panel. He can even delete the page and maintain the page as like main admin. So before giving the page access, we have to think about it, what we are going to provide him or her. So you have to check the task and power before it's too late. But if we change our mind, we can just cancel invitation from here. So that was all for today. For this kind of useful tutorial, please stay with us. Thank you for watching. See you next time.